Hey guys, this is Fundo on Anchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Pastor Kwala and Nosipo and Kazmulo goes to the church. And Pastor Kwala is humiliated in the worst way imaginable before the whole church. He asked Kazmulo to stand up so that the church members will see his child. And it seems like Kazmulo is scared to stand up. While Mondley witness Kapsile is compromising position with his latest subject. Mondley continues to investigate about Mtambisi. He goes to Kmash FM and found Kapsile with Mtambisi. And Mtambisi tell Kapsile how she beauty. And it seems like Mondley become jealous when he see this. And Flavor disturbed Mondley when Mondley looking Kapsile and Chambisi. A looming talent show has Kwamashu resident jumping up and down in excitement. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.